Osio, it's the native dev. Okay, so that we can get into how we use Git, the first thing we're going to do is download it. After we download it, I'll show you what we do with this, but this is the first step. So you'll see different download instructions here for Mac OS, Linux, Windows. I am on a Mac OS and I am going to use Homebrew. What is Homebrew? Well, just a quick introduction. Homebrew just is a tool that lets you download other tools easily. It just makes downloading things, especially for developers, very easy. It's a very common tool that's used in the professional world, so it's good to get used to it here as well. I'm not going to get too detailed about what Homebrew is since this is a source control tutorial, but we'll go ahead and go to Homebrew and you'll see it's just brew.sh. And the first thing we need to do is install Homebrew. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to push Command space, and in here I'm going to type terminal. Doing so is going to open up a terminal window. Terminal is what's called a console. It's going to let you run commands inside of your computer. So you can do a lot of things inside terminal. It can do a lot of really good things. It can totally delete things off of your computer that you don't want deleted. It can mess with your computer. So my word of caution when using terminal, don't use commands if you don't know what those commands do. So I'm going to show you a few commands here. These are just basic safe commands you'll see at pretty much any professional workplace. The first one being installing Homebrew, and the second one is we're going to go back to that command to install Git on our computer. And so we're going to just copy this command here, and it's going to go to a website and download and install Homebrew for us. I'm going to hit Command V to paste that command in, and I'm just going to run it. And it needs the password. This is the password for my computer. And then once I put in the password, it tells me this is going to install some things. And then I can press return or enter to continue, or any other key to abort. I'm going to hit return, and it's going to start the download. So that's pretty easy. While that's downloading, I'm going to go back over. I'm going to hit back. One thing to note, you're going to see this $sign in front of terminal commands or console commands when you're looking on the internet. That's just a starting place. You aren't going to copy that. We're going to copy just this brew install git part, and then we're going to go back over to our terminal window, and I'm going to hit Command V again to paste that in, brew install git, and I'm just going to hit return to run that command, and it's going to start downloading for me. Once that's downloaded, we're ready to go. We can start using Git. So let's learn more about Git in our next video.